The last video introduced you to the concept of markets, where buyers and sellers interact. In this cartoon, we see there is a seller, Raul, who is selling 21-foot ladder fences. The buyers in this example would be people who are not seen, those who would like to purchase Raul's 21-foot ladder fences. Those buyers are called demanders. They demand a certain product. What price will they demand this product at, and how many will they demand? That is what demand looks at. They look at the buyer's side of the market. The buyer's side of the market discusses the law of demand. The law of demand states that the quantity of a good or service consumers are willing and able to buy at different prices at a particular time. Willingness and ability are the key components here. Buyers must be both willing and able to purchase the products at various prices at a particular time. The law of demand is an inverse relationship. This is how it works. As the price of a good goes down, things get cheaper, the quantity demanded goes up. So as ice cream gets cheaper, more people want to purchase ice cream. As jeans go on sale, more people would like to purchase jeans. It is an inverse relationship, so it works exactly opposite when the price goes up. When the price goes up, the quantity demanded goes down. When the price of gasoline goes up, usually the quantity demanded goes down. People will be willing and able to drive less. The law of demand explains the shape of the demand curve. The demand curve always slopes downward from left to right. It might not always make a straight line, it might make kind of a strange curve, but it always slopes downward from left to right. That is how an inverse relationship, as one thing goes up, the other goes down, and vice versa, is represented on a graph. Here's an example. Here is a demand graph for cookies. As you can see, at a price of $1.25 per cookie, we see the quantity demanded is 5. Very few people would like to purchase a cookie. If the cookie goes on sale all the way down to 25 cents, the quantity demanded increases to 25. The same thing is shown in this graph. In this table. As the quantity demanded goes down, the price goes up. As the price goes down, the quantity demanded goes up. At 15 cookies demanded, the price would probably be right around 75 cents. But if that cookie starts to get a little bit more expensive, charging $1, fewer people would be both willing and able to buy that cookie, which represents a decrease in demand. Both the table and the graph show the same thing. This is just a little bit more of an image for us to see. How as price goes up, quantity goes down. And as price goes down, quantity goes up. So again, demand always makes a downward sloping curve.